The news anchor is reporting on a global emergency. Extreme weather events are being presented as a major crisis. Natural disasters are occurring worldwide. These events are framed as a direct consequence of human actions. Centuries of human-caused destruction are cited as the root cause. Animal conflicts are intensifying across various habitats. These conflicts are primarily driven by diminishing food sources. Habitat loss further exacerbates competition among species. Environmental stress plays a crucial role in these resource shortages. The increased conflicts indicate a breakdown of established ecosystems. This breakdown threatens biodiversity and ecological stability. Extensive mining operations represent a significant form of resource exploitation. Oil fields exemplify the extraction of fossil fuels, a non-renewable resource. Deforestation highlights the unsustainable removal of forests. These activities demonstrate resource exploitation beyond sustainable levels. Environmental abuse can trigger various natural disasters. Hurricanes may intensify due to changes in ocean temperatures and atmospheric conditions. Earthquakes can occur unexpectedly, causing widespread destruction. Volcanic eruptions release massive amounts of energy and matter into the environment. Floods can inundate cities, leading to displacement and economic losses. These events can be interpreted as the Earth's reaction to ecological damage. Escalating natural disasters are causing widespread damage across various environments. Residential areas are experiencing destruction of homes and displacement of families. Oceanic ecosystems are suffering, with coral reefs facing mortality. Forests are being scorched, leading to significant ecological damage. These events highlight the increasing vulnerability of both human and natural systems. The cumulative effect underscores the urgent need for disaster mitigation and resilience strategies. Reforestation is a key action to restore environmental balance. Beach cleanups are essential for marine ecosystem recovery. Animal protection initiatives contribute to biodiversity. These actions symbolize efforts to reverse environmental damage. Restoring balance involves active and diverse interventions. Industrial activities are a major source of carbon emissions. Deforestation also contributes significantly to increased carbon emissions. Increased carbon emissions directly correlate with a rise in global temperatures. This correlation highlights the impact of human activities on the Earth's climate. Ocean acidification is primarily caused by the absorption of excessive carbon dioxide, CO2, from the atmosphere. The ocean acts as a major carbon sink, absorbing a significant portion of anthropogenic CO2 emissions. Increased CO2 levels in seawater lead to a decrease in pH, making the ocean more acidic. This acidification has detrimental effects on marine organisms, particularly those with calcium carbonate shells or skeletons. Coral bleaching is a direct consequence of ocean acidification, weakening coral structures and ecosystems. The decline of marine life, including shellfish and plankton, disrupts the entire ocean food web. Deforestation leads to the removal of protective tree cover. Without tree roots to bind the soil, topsoil becomes vulnerable to erosion. Rainfall and wind rapidly carry away the exposed topsoil. This erosion process degrades the land, leading to desertification. Reduced topsoil diminishes agricultural productivity and ecosystem health. The simulation depicts glacial melt, a process accelerated by rising global temperatures. Increased temperatures cause glaciers to lose mass at an accelerated rate. This melting contributes significantly to rising sea levels worldwide. Rising sea levels pose a direct threat to coastal communities and ecosystems. The simulation highlights the potential consequences of continued glacial melt on a global scale. Unsustainable farming practice deplete essential soil nutrients over time. This depletion reduces the soil's capacity to support healthy crop growth. Consequently, crop yields decline, leading to lower agricultural output. Reduced crop yields contribute to food insecurity and potential nutritional deficiencies. Urban areas often suffer from significant air pollution. Vehicle emissions are a major contributor to this pollution. Industrial activities also release pollutants into the air. This pollution leads to respiratory illnesses and environmental degradation. Plastic waste accumulates extensively in landfills and oceans. This accumulation poses a significant threat to wildlife. Animals often ingest plastic, mistaking it for food. Ingestion of plastic can lead to malnutrition, internal injuries, and death. Plastic waste also disrupts marine and terrestrial ecosystems. The presence of plastics in the environment can alter habitats and food chains. Sustainable forestry prioritizes maintaining forest biodiversity. It also focuses on enhancing carbon sequestration within forest ecosystems. These practices stand in stark contrast to deforestation, which degrades ecosystems. Deforestation leads to habitat loss and reduces carbon storage capacity. Sustainable forestry aims to balance resource use with long-term forest health. This balance supports both ecological integrity and responsible timber harvesting. Renewable energy farms utilize resources that are naturally replenished. These farms commonly feature wind turbines and solar panels. Wind turbines convert kinetic energy from wind into electricity. Solar panels convert light energy from the sun into electricity. This clean energy generation reduces reliance on fossil fuels. Reducing fossil fuel consumption helps mitigate climate change. Ecosystem restoration demonstrates the recovery of natural environments through dedicated conservation efforts. Revitalized coral reefs exemplify the restoration of marine biodiversity and ecosystem health. Replanted forests showcase the recovery of terrestrial ecosystems and their vital functions. These efforts significantly contribute to enhancing biodiversity and supporting diverse species. Restoration projects improve overall environmental health, benefiting both wildlife and human communities.